a basic book for understanding the Quran in Arabic. Get ready. Each word of the lesson will appear on the screen for 2 seconds. Say its meaning within 2 seconds, then check the answer. Adjust the video speed as needed. Make sure that you have read and completed the relevant lesson beforehand.
لكتاب.
Indeed is a book. لقرآن. Indeed is a Quran.
لعلم.
Indeed is knowledge.
لحق.
Indeed is truth.
لقسم.
Indeed is an oath.
لذكر.
Indeed is a reminder.
لحسرة.
Indeed is a regret.
لهدى.
Indeed is a guidance.
لظلم.
Indeed is an injustice.
لشديد.
Indeed is severe.
لشهيد.
Indeed is a witness.
لغفور.
Indeed is the forgiver.
لرحمة.
Indeed is a mercy.
لفسق.
Indeed is a disobedience.
لمجنون.
Indeed is a madman.
لتنزيل.
Indeed is a revelation.
لتذكرة.
Indeed is a reminder.
لذكرى.
Indeed is a recollection.
لفرح.
Indeed is exultant.
ليئوس.
Indeed is despairing.
للآخرة.
Indeed is the hereafter.
للهدى.
Indeed is the guidance.
للحق.
Indeed is the truth.
للحسنى.
Indeed is the good.